Welcome back to Kids Toyland. Today we're going to learn colors with cars and farm animals. Let's get started. Here comes our first car. Let's see what animal we have. Do you know the name of this animal? This animal makes milk for us and says moo. If you said cow, you're right. Great job. Cow. And what color is this car? It's red. That's right. We have a red car. Red. Cow. Red. Let's put our cow back. Here comes our next car. What's this animal? This might be a tough one. It's a donkey. Can you say donkey? And our donkey is gray. We have a gray donkey. And our car is what color? If you said orange, you're right. Great job! We have an orange car. Donkey, orange. Let's move our donkey back. Here comes our next car and animal. This is a fun animal. This one says oink oink and rolls around in the mud. Pig's right. This is a pig. Pig. This is a bright colored car. What is this color? Yellow. This is a yellow car. Yellow. Pig and yellow. Great job! Now our next car and animal is gonna come. Here they are. And here's our animal. What is this animal? They like to eat everything. It's a goat. A goat. A gray goat. Goat. Now let's see our car. What color is this beautiful car? If you said blue, you're right. Great job. This is a blue car. goat, and blue. Well done. Let's move them on back. And our last car is coming up. Here it comes. Look at this big animal. Do you know the name of this animal? It's a horse. Horse. Great job. Ooh, and check out the color of this car. This is my favorite color. It's purple. Great job. A purple car. So we have a horse and purple. Great job, boys and girls. Maybe we'll just put him right next to him. He doesn't want to stay on top of the car anymore. So we learned cow and the color red, donkey and the color orange, pig and the color yellow, and goat and the color blue. And we learned horse and the color purple. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time. Bye!